Hey, what's up, guys? Deji Kuchla again. So this is one of the reasons I say you should become a model. That was a good day. I came to this store. Let me show you the store. The name is Marshall. Let me show you the store. Come on, bro, flip. So I came here. I saw some stuff already. The shoes that I saw were kind of okay. They were nice. See the styles, remember different styles. So when I saw these shoes, I was like, okay, I loved it. I went away. So I didn't buy that day. I came back the other time. That day when I came to see those shoes, I didn't come to buy the shoes actually, but when I came back for the shoes, the first time I came for the shoes, they were $39.99, $40. But by the time I came back for those shoes, just to look at them, they were $20. $20. Fine, I left. When I came back to see those shoes, I found them for $16. So if you're a model, a shoe model, people already know you to be modeling shoes. See this nice Adidas. If you go to a different store, you're gonna find this Adidas for like $80, $100. But this is it, $40 for $44.99. $50. So if you're a model, you're a shoe model, you've been modeling this, someone will ask you where did you get it from. You could say it's on so website, which is your website or an affiliate business you have. Then they buy it there, probably you buy here for $50 with tax probably like $52, $53. And if you're selling it on your website, you could sell it for like probably $70. You know how much you're making. Thank you. So that's one of the reasons I say you should become a model.